long-awaited Philippine Dialysis Olympia 2025, organized by NephroPlus.
We are extremely excited to host the first Dialysis Olympiad of Philippines. Thank you very much for all of you coming in.
The reason why we do this is to make them understand that they can lead happy, normal, and healthy lives.
Ang NephroPlus Philippines po ay malaki po ang naitutulong dito sa ating bansa, sa community namin, ng CKD community. Ilan po ang dialysis centers ng NephroPlus dito. Karamihan po ng patient na nandito is from NephroPlus.
Let the game begins!
NephroPlus was born 15 years ago in India. At the moment, we are operating in 5 countries. We have a network of over 470 dialysis clinics, and we are treating 32,000 dialysis patients, we call them guests, per month.
Officially, we are beginning the Philippines Dialysis Olympiad 2025 with an inauguration basketball match with our partner organizations, Dialysis PH, Philel and Kitab. So this will be a 10-minute basketball match, inauguration exhibition match.
Today is all about camaraderie, teamwork, and of course, fun.
This is the 8th edition of the Dialysis Olympiad globally and first in the Philippines. And we are committed to do this every alternate year. The vision of NephroPlus was to make people on dialysis live happy, long, and as normal life. This event is not to compete with anybody else. This event is to compete with yourself, to tell yourself that, listen, I can do.
So this will remind them po na hindi porket nakadialysis po sila, hindi na po sila pwedeng maging active, hindi na po sila pwedeng maging healthy. No po, pwede po.
Napakaganda po nito dahil ito ay nagbibigay lang po ng hope sa lahat ng may CKD. At tamang-tama po, ngayon ay this coming March 13, we are celebrating the World Kidney Day. At ang tema po natin ngayon ay, okay pa ba ang iyong kidney? Kailangan natin alagaan ang ating kidney dahil po ito ay nakakabalik sa buhay kung ikaw ay merong sakit sa kidney dahil meron pong tinatawag na transplantation.
Yung naidulot ng NephroPlus malaki kasi kahit papano malaki na itutulong nila sa amin na dialysis patient. Lahat libre. Kumbaga, wala ka na intindihin.
Kaya gusto kong ipaalala sa inyo, kahit anong pagsubok ang dumating, kapit lang, laban lang. Mas matatag po kayo kaysa sa iniisip ninyo, kaysa sa laban na pinagdadaanan ninyo.
Ito pong event namin, pinapakita po namin na kahit po na meron kaming malubhang karamdaman, meron pa rin pong buhay sa sa kabila ng sakit, lungkot, kami nagsama-sama po dito. Masaya, nag-e-enjoy kasama yung pamilya namin at pinapakita namin na kaya pa rin po namin gawin ang mga bagay na dapat ginagawa ng isang normal na tao.
Napakahirap to find that happiness, but I hope you find happiness on those little things and appreciate all the little things in life dahil minsan sa maliliit na bagay pong iyon, pag pinagsama-sama natin, makakabuo tayo ng real happiness. We just have to see ourselves in the real world. Siyempre, at the end of the day, we want to be the best that we can.
At sana patuloy kayong maging inspirasyon. Walang hinto hanggat walang ginto po. So laban lang po sa buhay. Marami pong salamat.